Hey guys and girls, welcome back to another beautiful video on this beautiful channel, this beautiful day. How you guys doing? We have to fix this with the background. So I was thinking, since this is just a little shabby ass std string shit, like really shabby, weird map maker. There's nothing special. We're not focusing on good code in the map maker. All right, this is just gonna be strictly for this game. And it's gonna work. So background file is what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna make a string called background file. And I was thinking that as we load the map, load and save stage name, that's good. Save stage. Okay, so we have to go to save stage. Okay, so what it does is it starts doing this, and we need a background path. So in stage.cpp we need a background path, the string background path, and we will save out this background path. Alright, and background path is gonna be, as we create the stage, this background path dot equals none, and then we have rectangle shape. We're just not gonna do anything for background. We're not going to initialize it because it's going to draw. So I save that. I save the background path. When we draw and we update, I draw the background tiles. And then I want to draw the background behind the tiles. So background target dot. Okay, so I got to go through all the backgrounds for this backgrounds dot size, this backgrounds at position I dot draw, target dot draw this backgrounds position I. So I'm just gonna draw all of those, and this shouldn't be a problem because unless I have any backgrounds in here, and I'm only gonna have backgrounds as I load. Anytime I load a stage, I'm gonna have backgrounds, because here's where I'm gonna set this whole thing. I get the background path and I do all of this stuff. Alright, so I do all of this stuff. This is background tiles. Enemy spawner is cool, we'll work with that later. Background path. So as I load, this background dot load, wait, texture, wait, it's already loaded. So stage already loaded all of the backgrounds. Int, right? Int background number, background index, background index. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna have to change that. Background index equals 0. So I'm gonna get that in, and I'm gonna say this background index equals background index. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. Int background index, but it's gonna be a double kind of thing, isn't it? Int background index, bg index. Let's just call it bg index to be sure. Bg index. So we'll do that, and then we'll say this background dot set texture stage background textures at position index. So there shouldn't be any errors because bg index, because we won't be able to set the index to anything else in the editor than something that already exists. So there shouldn't be any problem. That's why we don't need any error checks. That's good. We'll set it to something. We'll set the texture, and the size of the background is also something I want to save. So how many times, well, how big we make it basically, or should it always be, I don't know, it should probably always be the same size. Let's see what the hell the issue is now. Come on, bro, what the hell? Something up here. Oh, with the background. Wait, it's in stage, I think, here. Background index equals 0. Okay, so as I create the stage, as I load the stage, I want to make sure the background is of that size. So this yes, I do want a bg int bg width int bg height, because we're gonna save that. This background dot set size vector 2f bg width bg height. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the background index and then the width and the height, bg width bg height. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go up here again into, I think it's save stage, out bg index, no, this background index, as I save, and then this background dot width dot get global bounds dot width, I guess, and then wait, I need a thingy here, width, and then static cast that to integer, cast int like that, and then get the height of it as well, because that's the format I'm gonna do it. Height, whoops, there we go. That's good. So that's how we save this whole thing. We save the index, the height, or the width and the height of the background. Okay. So InGame Map Maker, we go back in here. We have the background. So what we need to do is we need to do a int background index, int background width, int background height. And I'm just gonna initialize these in Game Map Maker. This background index equals 0. This background width equals wingman background size, and the same thing for the height. So I'm gonna be able to set these whenever I want. That's good. And stage, that's good. So I can save the stage. I'll load all that stuff. Now what about we open our stage just quickly, the one we made. I think we had a lel.wmap. Let's just open it with Notepad. So it's 10, 20, 120, none. Instead of none, let's put that to 0, and let's say 500, 500. That's exactly what we're gonna do, and that's gonna save our whole background thing. Now if I load the game, it's gonna be a little weird, I think. I don't know if it's gonna be able to do this. It's gonna load for a while. Nope. Static int wingman background size. Static int stage. Oh wait, wingman h. And then I go to h. Oh wait, int wingman background size. There we go. That's something. Now let's see what's going on. Okay, so this worked. This is gonna be really weird because something broke. I don't know where it broke. Where did it break? Where did it break? Oh, here, load success. Alright. Something broke here. So background tiles is good. Set texture. Like probably right here. This is what broke. Because what I do is I in game I probably in initialize. Oh yeah, I do init map here. So it should be fine. Init map. How do I save stage? I save stage through printing out just x, y, the background index, and the two sizes, the width and the height of it. And how do I load? In load, I get the background index, the width and the height. I just do that and then boom. Alright, but that's cool, I guess. I don't know what the problem is. Why it's being annoying. SS, size X, size Y. Are those all int as well? Yes. What if I open this thing? So size, the index, and the sizes. Okay. Could it be that? No, it can't be that. It can't be that. So let me just try this again. And there was some kind of unhandled exception in Wingman, my exception char in memory. So load success. Alright, so that's weird. BG index, stage size X, stage size Y. This, does it have a background index? Okay, this background is BG index, that's good. Might it be this whole thing? Nope. Okay, but we're gonna have to fix this in another video then. Maybe you found the problem, I'll try to find the issue, and then I'll come back to you guys in the next one, alright? But hopefully we'll get this whole background loaded and fixed. Let me just, before I go, let me just try going to main and saying true. Let's see if we can load make a map in itself. Nope, that didn't work. It tried to load something and then it was an issue. That was weird. So let me just go into InGame Map Maker. Let's see what I do. I initialize, and in initialize, what is this load stage shit? Oh, okay. If I run this, do I get any type of cout? Cout load could not open backgrounds file init texture stage. Oh really? Couldn't open backgrounds file init texture stage. Let me just see Stage, init textures, backgrounds. Oh wait, what am I doing? Textures, backgrounds, backgrounds.txt. What about now? Maybe. Oh wait, backgrounds, bro, backgrounds. Good lord, I'm too hasty sometimes doing stuff. Backgrounds. What about now? Well, now that worked, so that's good. Let me just do this, and then load lil.wmap. Just do this. So that works. That's good. That's good. So at least we can load it in game. Let me just go ahead in main and set this to false. Let's just do this, and it's a perfect 15-minute video, and we don't have any crashes, although we don't have the background yet because it's not drawing apparently. Oh yeah, because I haven't added it to this. But if I just do this before I leave, if I just try to draw it out, if I try to draw out background, where is it? Where's stage? Oh, here we go. So if I try to draw background, we'll see if it loaded. Draw target dot draw background. All right, and then in update we will take care of all the other stuff. Okay, so it drew the first. See, it drew that background. That's awesome. That's awesome. All right, that's great. And if I go into Lil, screw this stuff. If I go into Lil, open it, and I'll say background maybe 3. Oh, whoops. I hope I didn't break anything. And say like 2000, like 1080, 1920. What about now? What about now? Okay, so, wow. Wow, okay. That was weird. It stretched it out. It's not supposed to stretch it out. I actually said something else here now. Why did it do the same damn background, dude? What the hell? It's doing the same background. Okay, that's an issue we're gonna have to resolve as well. And we're gonna have to make sure it doesn't oh wait, because it's 0. Stage, load stage. Just load stage. Let me just see one thing. Save stage. Does it save? No. Does it load? So it gets in background index. Oh wait, BG index, right? I mean, isn't that it? BG index? Where? What the hell? Okay. Alright, so now it might work. That was weird. Why did it do that? Oh, there we go. Now we have, it's really stretched, but it's not supposed to be stretched. And to do that, we'll just fix something really good, really quick. And then we'll say, we'll reset rect true. I think that's the problem. And then we're gonna have to set the rect. Okay, that's not it. Let's do this. This background dot set texture rect to 00 int rect 00 wingman background. Wait, what? Wingman. Oh wait, 00 wingman background size, and then the same thing to background size. So that's the texture rect I want to set. Let's see if that actually helps us. I'll make sure. I want it to, no, that didn't work. I want to loop this background dot set texture. Let's see. dot set repeated true. So let's set the texture to, now this video is really long again because I can't stop coding, but I have to just see if this is gonna work. No, that didn't work. Ugh. True. Nope. I'm gonna have to try to get that thing working somehow. What's the issue? Oh wait, now. It's set to repeated. I set the texture rect, but it's still not working like I want it to. So that's kind of weird. But we're gonna have to fix that, guys and girls. We'll do that in the next one. But take care, and I'll see you in the next one, alright? Bye bye.